On a quiet, rainy morning, when the city was just waking up, there was a tiny puppy sitting alone on a cold, wet street. Cars passed by, people hurried to work, but no one noticed the little life shivering near the road. The puppy was very small. His fur was soaked with rain, and his legs trembled from the cold. His big eyes looked around again and again, as if he was searching for someone he had lost. Maybe his mother, maybe a family, or maybe just a little love. The puppy didn't understand why he was alone. Just yesterday, there had been warmth. Just yesterday, there had been a heartbeat beside him. And now, there was only rain. His stomach hurt from hunger. Every sound made him jump. Every shadow gave him hope. When footsteps came closer, the puppy lifted his head. "Is it you?" his eyes seemed to ask. But the feet walked past. Again and again. Some people looked down for a second, then looked away. Others didn't look at all. The puppy stayed where he was, because he was tired of walking. Tired of hoping. Tired of being invisible. Rainwater gathered around his paws. Cold wind brushed against his tiny body. Slowly, he curled his tail around himself and sat under a broken bench. For a moment, he closed his eyes. In his little heart, he remembered warmth. The feeling of being close to someone. The feeling of safety. But when he opened his eyes again, the street was still empty. The sky grew darker. Street lights turned on one by one. Thunder rumbled softly in the distance. The puppy flinched. Fear wrapped around him like the cold. He tried to stand, but his legs felt weak. So he sat back down, quietly, bravely. Time passed. Then, something changed. From far away, a soft golden light appeared. The puppy noticed it. His ears lifted slightly. His heart beat faster. Someone was coming. A shadow stopped near him. The puppy froze. Was this danger, or was this hope? Slowly, a gentle hand reached out. The puppy wanted to run. But he didn't. He took a tiny step forward. Then another. With shaking paws, he touched the hand. It was warm. For the first time that day, the puppy felt safe. The hand didn't pull away. It stayed. Carefully, lovingly, the puppy was lifted into warm arms. The rain seemed to stop. The world felt quieter. The puppy rested his head and closed his eyes. He was no longer alone. Soon, he was inside a small, cozy room. Warm light surrounded him. A soft cloth wrapped around his body. A bowl of food was placed near him. The puppy ate slowly, carefully, as if he was afraid the moment might disappear. Water followed, then gentle pats, then silence. That night, the puppy slept deeply. No rain, no fear, no hunger, just peace. Morning sunlight filled the room. The puppy opened his eyes. For a moment, he forgot where he was. Then he remembered. He stretched his little legs and wagged his tail. This place felt different. This place felt safe. He explored carefully, sniffing corners, touching toys, learning the sounds of his new world. A hand reached down again. The puppy licked it happily. A smile appeared. That day, the puppy played, rested, and felt something new, belonging. By the window, he sat quietly, watching sunlight dance on the floor. He was no longer the puppy no one wanted. He was the puppy who waited. The puppy who survived. The puppy who found love. Sometimes, love doesn't come quickly. Sometimes, it comes late, but when it does, it changes everything. And somewhere in the city, a small heart finally learned that being unwanted was never his fault.